Dumalo si Japanese Ambassador Endo Kazuya sa plenary session ng Kamara ngayong araw, kasama si House Speaker Faustino Boyedi III. Ito'y para ipresenta ang House Resolution number 1274 o ang resolusyon na kumikilala sa pangmatagalang pagkakaibigan sa pagitan ng Republika ng Pilipinas at ng Japan. Gayon din ang pag-alala sa ika-70 taong anibersaryo ng normalization ng diplomatic relations ng dalawang nasyon. Nananatili ang Japan bilang isa sa nangungunang kasangga ng Pilipinas pagdating po sa economic development tulad ng assistance sa infrastructure, modernization, industrial growth, technological advancement at disaster resilience.
Now therefore be it resolved by the House of Representatives to recognize the enduring friendship between the Republic of the Philippines and Japan and commemorate the 70th anniversary of the normalization of diplomatic relations between the two countries. Resolve further that a copy of this resolution be given to the government of Japan, represented by its embassy in Manila, Philippines. Adopted, signed Faustino Boyedi III, Speaker. This resolution was adopted by the House of Representatives August 4, 2026. Signed, Chelo E. Belacaria Garafil, Secretary General.
Ako po si Bien Manalo. Para maging updated, manatiling nakatutok sa Congress TV Digital at sa iba pa naming social media pages.